guys, it's me, Kaisser, and in today's video, we are back at Obby, but you are a bird. I am a bird. Apparently, I can't fly. I don't know why they did that, but I guess if I didn't manage to fly, it would be cheating, so... yeah, I'm a duck. You can hear the sounds. Among Us! Oh my god! Okay, anyway, so let's proceed with the, Mario! Literally 2 video game references in the same level. Honestly, that's amazing. Anyways, I think we go here. Hi! Okay, and wait a minute. Oh, there's a little pond. I like this. Okay. Oh my god, that was so close. I was so close to falling. Anyways, do we go, wait a minute. Do we, wait, we go here. I get it now. So like, wait. Oh, yeah, we do. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so we just do this again. Wait, can I? Oh my god. Okay, but that's breaking the rules and anyway. Okay, so I just have to time and jump. Okay. And now we're in the caves again. I am not happy about this. Anyways, oh, yes, hot 5, spinning clouds, whoa. You think this is magical? I've seen it, I've literally seen it all. What? Yeah, Mom, it is good for my viewers. It's a Roblox game. Okay, I probably shouldn't have mentioned that in front of my mom. She is, wait a minute, can we? Oh my god. Oh, this is the most legendary spot ever, guys. Take a screenshot of this. This is, anyways, oh my god. Okay, so we just E, and A. Then we go into the tree. Then we go down here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we, oh my god. How are you? Oh my god. That jump is so hard. Oh my god. King Duck Shrine, please be respectful, okay? I will be respectful. Oh, King Duck statue. Okay, I'm in his pride. I'm probably disrespecting him, but whatever, this Roblox game. Anyways, King Duck's party located at 100 meters. Oh my god. That's great. But anyways, I need to really be getting to sex. Oh my god, I almost fell. I should have jumped. Anyways. Okay, so we gotta make it! Oh, that was so hard. You have to time it perfectly. Anyways. Oh, another one of these Mario pipe thingies. And then what do we do? Do we just stand on it or... Oh, we go here. Okay. Makes sense. Oh wait, no. I think we went the wrong way, so it's like, yeah, it definitely looks like, oh my god. Okay, which way? Yeah, it seems like either way keeps leading to the, yeah, see? Okay, anyways, checkpoint 7. Ooh, this heated bird bath. Oh yeah. Time for me to relax. But no time. I have to beat the Obby. And today we are finishing all the way up to 10. Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh my god, this is a big drop. Well, I'm taking the leap of faith. Okay. Oh, and we got a cake celebration. Let's go. Anyways, we have to go here through these spikes. And actually, I think these spikes got remodeled since the last time I played. Long jump, okay? What the? What the? Do we? Oh. Long jump down. Let's hit the target. Oh, 50 points. 0 points bad. Thank God I made it in the decent part. Oh, no. Okay, now we go. Oh my god. You know what? That one was a lot slower than this one. Anyways, let's just... Okay, then go here. Here. Okay, then we go here. Stand on this torch, apparently. It doesn't light me on fire. Logic. That's logic. Definitely logic, like, right there. I am Roblox Einstein. And anyways, wait. Oh yeah, we have to go here. Never mind. Anyways, oh wait. So it's a new jump. It actually feels like I have slow falling in this game. Slow falling potion from Minecraft, you know? Okay, oh! Oh my god, what is that sound when I was like... Oh, it's magic. No! Oh my god. Okay, wait, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Anyways. Oh my god. Oh, I hear it now. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my, wait, can I just... The devs were really not thinking this through. Yeah, if you hear a language you don't understand, that's my mom. She is very concerned about my content for some reason, because it's Roblox. And she believes there's these devils inside the game that's helping the player to do bad things. Oh my god, all that progress. Okay, I'll meet you back at where we left off. Okay guys, I am back to where I was, and somewhere near where I was, just I kind of forgot, but oh my god, I keep failing this jump. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. So like, okay, oh my god. Okay, we are here. Let's do this, guys, because I am determined to make you guys happy for my content. And also, I want you guys to like and subscribe because it really helps out. Yeah, it really does. Because, like, these spikes are so hard. Oh my god, I jumped at the last second. Anyways, yes, I can feel it. Yes, I got 8. I got the 8th one. Now what do I do? What do I do? Oh, okay. Okay, so we need to wait. Oh! Okay, wait, 8. So, it's basically like this. Wish I had shift lock because I don't have it for some reason now. Okay. Okay, wait, no. Ugh, oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I need my shift lock, please. And I want this blue avatar. Okay. Oh. Okay. Boom. I am here. Okay, so... Oh my god, I am a pixel away from the spikes. No! I got... Oh my god, I still don't have my shift lock. Are you kidding me? No! I keep getting worse, please. I need my shift lock. Where's it? Please. Okay, okay, I'm here. I am back. Anyways. Okay, here is the devilish part. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh my god, that's a relief. Okay, now we go up and up and up and up and up and up and up. Oh! Okay, that was a hard jump. Anyways, we just go here, then it. It's not even possible. Okay, I'm pretty sure it is. I just think I'm a noob. Wait. Come on. Yes. Boom. Another one of these pink things. Whatever, it's simple. Never mind. Okay, boom. It's super simple. Oh, what is this tower? Wait a minute. I want to see what's up there for a reason. Okay, wait. There's nothing there. Okay, what was I doing? Anyways, we basically just have to go here. And then... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that was stress-inducing. Okay. Okay. Ooh, just getting hard. My plan is to get to 100 meters and celebrate at the king's party. Okay. Okay. No! Come on! Oh my god. Okay, whatever. At least I wasn't that far. Okay, I am 92 miles. It's gonna take so long, and yeah, the video is going to... Oh my god! Oh, finally! Jeez, I have my shift lock. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Let's do this. Yeah, see, when it wasn't the first time I cooked, but now I am absolutely so bad. At least there's this tree that can help me climb back up to the part I failed on. Like, that's a secret trick you should know if you ever failed this part of the level, like me. Okay. Like, why do I keep messing that up? Okay, I am back. Next part. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Okay, again, get my fingers all too sweaty. Okay, I think this is a safe part for my hands to rest. Okay, rest for a bit. Wipe my screen. Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost fell to the edge. That was... No! Oh my god! That was too close. That was so close. Oh my god. How was anyone supposed to master that? King Duck's party ahead! Woohoo! I am going to make it, guys. Subscribe to my channel if I end up making it in today's video. Okay. 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 No! No! Okay. 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 Boom. So we are making it to the king's party. I can hear the music. Yes, yes, yes! We've made it! Hooray! Welcome! Yay! We got cake! We got a spinning disco! Chicken! Whatever! This party's loud, I know! Hooray! This is amazing. I'm gonna... Wait. Missing King's crown? Well, I guess that's a big problem, but for now, I think I'm just gonna rest on this duck right here. I'm the big spurn known to man. I know. Anyways, guys, if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, since I reached